Are you using the right cooking oil? Let me share which oil is right for you. Selecting the right cooking oil is important for a healthy lifestyle. Saturated fats, often known as solid fats due to their solid state at room temperature, can be found in animal-based foods such as beef, pork, poultry, full-fat dairy products, and eggs. Cooking oil contains both saturated and unsaturated fats. To maintain good health, limit your saturated fat intake to about 5% to 6% of your daily calories. You should look for oils with saturated fat levels below 4 grams per tablespoon and avoid those containing partially hydrogenated oils or trans fats. For healthier options, choose plant-based oils rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. Oils like canola oil, safflower oil, flaxseed oil, sunflower oil, and corn oil have lower percentages of saturated fat and can help reduce cholesterol levels. Additionally, for a healthy heart, limit the usage of high saturated fat sources like butter, solid shortening, lard, fatback, and stick margarine. Let's make the right health choices. This starts from the kitchen.